Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Evgo app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Evgo is an electric vehicle charging app designed to help drivers find fast and reliable EV chargers across the United States. The app offers real-time charger availability, easy reservation options, and seamless payment processing. It also features route planning optimized for EV owners, ensuring you never run low on charge during your trips. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Evgo's extensive network of high-speed chargers and its user-friendly interface that makes locating and starting a charging session quick and simple. The app supports contactless payments and provides notifications during charging, enhancing convenience on the go. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional connectivity issues and limited charger availability in certain areas. Also, pricing and membership options can vary, which might confuse new users or add extra costs. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Evgo app may be worth using if you own an electric vehicle and want access to a broad network of fast chargers with convenient payment and reservation features. It excels in usability and coverage but might have regional limitations or pricing considerations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.